If you're looking for a Jaguar E-Pace, and we've sold lots of these cars, they're very, very popular. This is as good of an example as you will find, because when we picked the car up yesterday, my driver come back and he said, Liam, the car is like new. And it's a 2018, it's done 12,000 miles. It's a 2-litre, 180 diesel, Dynamic HSE. And when drivers come back and tell you that, you know that the car's going to be absolutely, as we would describe, out the box, and it is. The colour's Corris Grey. The spec, with it being the Dynamic HSE, is up there. You get memory seats, electric seats, adaptive cruise control, 20-inch diamond cut wheels, panoramic glass roof. The spec is phenomenal on the car. And they're so popular because they're a lovely size, they're not too big. With it being the Dynamic, we've got this, the grille is massive, isn't it? Look at the size of that, and I just think it gives a great look to the car. You've got these lovely LED, Jaguar LED technology lights. The wheels are beautiful, diamond cut, silver polish, and then they've got grey inserts, and I think they work lovely with a grey car. Privacy glass on the back, and when you move around the back as well, you'll see it looks really sporty, doesn't it, from the back, because the back bumper's really big, twin exhausts, them lovely LED lights, all-wheel drive, just a great looking car. You've got the extensions on the arches just to give it that more of a sportier look. And when we move on inside, you'll see the spec. It's got electric seats, but not just electric seats. It's got memory, so we've got memory electric seats. You've got Meridian Sound System. You've got the beautiful stitched leather on the door cards, which runs onto the interior and along the dash and everything. Heated steering wheel. Adaptive cruise. The spec for this little car is unbelievable, what they put on these HSEs. Glass roof, which just brightens the whole car up. And it's done 12,675 miles. So that tells you it's in lovely order. All your touchscreen navigation, your Apple CarPlay. If we go into cameras, full reverse camera. If we go into seats, you've got heated seats, driver and passenger. You've got all the different driving modes. So you've got dynamic, you can put it into dynamic, you can put it into comfort, you can put it into eco, you can put it into race, ice and snow, so you can get the full performance when required. You've got, if you look here, we've got lane assist as well, blind spot assist, electric tailgate, so when I press that button, it'll open the tailgate. So it's just a great spec, great looking, low mileage E-Pace, priced on the money to sell, 29,371 with our live pricing. Privacy glass on the back. It's just a beautiful car, being really well looked after. Ambient lighting, you get the extra speakers running through the back. The back seats are like as if they've never been sat in. And we do just hand pick, and we pay the premium for the best cars because this is only done 12. It's in lovely order. Come from great family who we bought it off, and like we said, it is immaculate. It's got a full spare in there as well, because that's an option. People always, you can either get a spare or you can just go for the pack, which is to just fill the wheels up, but someone's paid extra for the spare. Lovely car, Corris Grey, Dynamic HSE. What an example. Hitting the website now, call us, get it reserved. My number's on the bottom of the screen.